to Metro West. Let's head out to Natick there. Our Nick Giovanni's been in Natick all morning along the Pike. And Nick, some new restrictions for people traveling on the Mass Pike now.
Indeed, Kate. Yeah, we've got the slush stacking up here along the Pike up to about 2 inches here in Natick. A lot of drivers describing it as a mess out on the roads. And so to account for that, right on cue, MassDOT just tweeted out that they have reduced the speed limit down to 40 miles an hour all the way from the New York border down to 128. So that is the new update that we had to pass along. MassDOT also passing along a warning that if you do plan on getting out on the road, plan for a white knuckle drive, as they have been describing it. Not only talking about the snow stacking up, but just the whiteout conditions altogether. We have again seen that deteriorate specifically over the last 2 or 3 hours, going from a 1.5 mile visibility to now the most recent reported down to about half a mile. As you can see behind us, really just this white abyss behind us. Not really many headlights coming our way, because fortunately people are heeding the governor's warning to stay away from the roads if indeed you can, to give these crews room to move. There are 3,200 crews, pieces of equipment out on the road at this hour. That's about 3/4 of the actual full fleet that MassDOT does plan to deploy over the course of this storm. So really all hands on deck over the course of this. The crews are going to be out in full force by day's end. That is for sure. Governor Baker promising that one. But for now, all is relatively quiet here in what would be the middle of a morning commute. Kirsten, Kate.
Yes, pretty empty. So what are you seeing as far as road crews yourself in that location? Are you seeing a lot of road crews working the Pike?
They're coming in teams. There are about 3 or 4 plow trucks that keep coming by in either direction, just caravanning down the Pike one way or another. I would say we've really seen, I guess the most recent one that we saw was about 30 minutes ago, making the rounds. Literally just one team basically shutting down one direction, everyone lining up behind the plow trucks and just following their lead, which is really your best idea at this point, to just stay behind the plows, be patient, because clearly what's up ahead of them a lot more treacherous than what you're dealing with once they do their work.
All right, good advice. Nick Giovanni, thank you. You can see